My dear friends, let me briefly explain the immense value our forest bring to our planet and to our lives. When we speak about forest, we often think of trees, shade, and wildlife. But forests are much more than that. They are complex living systems where plants, animals, and microorganisms, soil, water, air, and sunlight interact with each other. In other words, forests are ecosystems. What is an ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms that interact with each other and their physical environment, that is, soil, water, air, and sunlight. These interactions create a balanced and self-sustaining living system. If one part of this ecosystem changes or disappears, it affects the entire ecosystem. This delicate balance is what keeps the nature functioning. Among many types of ecosystems on our Earth, forest ecosystems are some of the most important and diverse. The forest ecosystems support a variety of plants and animals. On our Earth, the trees in the forest provide food and shade for animals, plants protect soil, and microorganisms recycle nutrients. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and maintaining the global climate and mitigating the climate change. If we look at our own country, we can feel proud of ourselves. Sri Lanka is recognized one of the biodiversity hotspots, meaning that it contains an exceptional composition of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. This richness of plants and animals is reflected in our rainforest, dry zone forest, mangrove forest, and montane forest ecosystems. The island's unique geographical location and tropical climate have created a remarkable level of biodiversity. Our forests are home to iconic wildlife such as Sri Lankan leopards and Asian elephant, along with thousands of plants, birds, reptiles, and insect species. These plants and animals are not just beautiful. They play a crucial role in the stability of forest ecosystems. When these forest ecosystems are protected, the entire network of life is also preserved. Globally, the importance of forest ecosystems has been recognized through international cooperation. For instance, the Paris Agreement has highlighted the crucial role the forests play in reducing the greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. The forests act as carbon sink, absorbing large amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The protecting and restoring of forest is therefore one of the most effective natural solutions to address the climate crisis. For a country like Sri Lanka, protecting forests is not only an environmental responsibility but also a national treasure. Our environmental wealth is truly extraordinary. Our forest ecosystems protect our watersheds, support agriculture, and sustain the livelihoods of the communities in the country. Moreover, they are related to our cultural heritage and our own identity. However, our forest ecosystems are fragile. Deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change have threatened the delicate balance that has developed thousands of years. When forests are destroyed, the ecosystems surrounding the forest also collapse, biodiversity decline, and the services that the nature provides the humanity also get declined. Therefore, the responsibility in protecting our forest belongs to all of us, that is the government, scientists, community, and individuals. Conservation, sustainable land use, reforestation, and environmental awareness are the essential steps in safeguarding our precious forest ecosystems. As we celebrate the International Day of Forest, we must remember the forests are not just a collection of trees. They are living ecosystems, sustaining the life on our earth. They are our teachers, they are our protectors, they are our inheritance. If we protect our forests ecosystems today, we can conserve our biodiversity, climate stability, and the environmental wealth that the future generations of Sri Lanka and the entire world community that depend on. Thank you very much for your kind attention.